isn't the mix this season. I'm sorry.
They're toning it.
Interstate 71 at US Route 127. Longwood, Markland, Eagleville, New Liberty, Mount Sterling, US Route 42 at State Route 184.
But just imagine.
This includes I-71 in Kentucky between mile markers 50
Let's go see
and
what it's
63.
about. Let's go.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky and parts of southeast Indiana. This afternoon, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Wait, why is it warning?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Robertson County, southwestern Bracken County, northeastern Grant County, southern Pendleton County, until 2 p.m. At 1:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dry Ridge, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Williamstown, Falmouth, Dry Ridge, Morgan, Gilforth, Browning Corner, Neave, Milford, Williamstown Lake, Santa Fe, Knoxville, US Route 62 at State Route 19, Marcus, Kentontown, Sherman, Petra, McKinney'sburg, and Ditchville. This includes I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 153 and 162. Petra, McKinney'sburg, and Ditchville. 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 162. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Grant, Harrison, Owen, Pendleton, and Scott. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Let's get it! Baby!
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Scott County in central Kentucky, western Bourbon County in central Kentucky, southwestern Harrison County in central Kentucky until 3 p.m.
Let's get the relay going.
At 2:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Cynthiana, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paris, Cynthiana, Shangwin, Black's Crossroads, Ruddles Mills, Leesburg, Alberta, Broadwell, Davis, and Currentsville. Haven County, Johnson County.
Tornado warning for Johnson!
Eastern Daylight Time.
Press the scale.
Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mooresville, or 15 miles southwest of Indianapolis, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bargersville around 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Franklin, New Whiteland, Whiten and Trafalgar around 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Edinburgh and Bogstown around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes the following highways. Interstate 65 between mile markers 82 and 100. Interstate 70 near mile marker 69. Take cover now.
Doubleheader!
Move to a basement or an interior room on the
Doubleheader tornado warning!
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest...
Here we go! Another tornado warning!
flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
For
Take
your protection,
move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Repeating,
A tornado warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties.
Oh
my God, stop.
Marion, Morgan, and Shelby.
Oh no.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for southern Morgan County, northern Brown County, southwestern Johnson County until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Doubleheader tornado
At
warning!
8:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Martinsville, or 20 miles north of Bloomington, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without
That's heading
shelter.
toward us!
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
Too
and
static,
vehicles
I can't
will
take
occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Morgantown, Bean Blossom, and Helmsburg around 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight
It's gonna
Time.
affect us!
Princess Lakes, Trafalgar, Peoga, and
Oh my
Spearsville
God.
around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now.
Extremely
Move
dangerous
to a basement
storm.
or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
And a doubleheader.
Avoid windows. If you are
I will.
outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Brown, Johnson, and Morgan. Partly cloudy, and now the extended outlook for the region. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 91, effective until 2 a.m. This watch includes the following counties: Brown, Floyd, Jefferson, Lawrence, Orange, Cary, Washington, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. Close to the area. Nelson. While severe weather imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest weather information. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The current time is 7. Weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Area room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kenton County, Campbell County, Southern Boone County, Eastern Hamilton,
Power's out.
Northwestern Clermont County until 11 p.m. At 10:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Reading, moving east at 45 miles.
Here. I'll help.
70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
I'll get a light on.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This include Cincinnati, Covington, Florence, Independence, Norwood, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Sharonville, Blue Ash, Loveland, Reading, Montgomery, Madeira, Ashwood, Alexandria, Ellesmere, Fort Mitchell, Villa Hills, and Highland Heights. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Kentucky between
Yeah, this is the
mile
battery
markers
backup.
71
Look,
and
physics
77.
is out.
I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 20. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 167 and 191. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 4. Between mile markers 6 and 12. Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Butler County, northern Warren County, western Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County until 11 p.m.
I must be on
At
channel 7 or
10:17
something.
p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gradus, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations in Texas include Dayton, Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Fairborn, Xenia, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Springboro, Franklin, Bellbrook, Lorraine, Carlisle, Oakwood, Yellow Springs, Wright Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, Waynesville, Wilberforce, and Riverside. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile mark 56 and 50.